Welcome, in front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this laptop. So there are two ways to start a screen recording. The first one is using a 3-button combination, which is Windows, Shift and R, buttons pressed simultaneously. Then select an area of your screen that you want to record. You can adjust the size of this area by moving the sides and the corners of the selection. Once you're ready, click Start. Let the tool access your microphone, and right now, when the recording is started, you can pause it by clicking the pause button right here. You can stop it by clicking the stop icon. You can unmute your microphone by clicking right here and mute your system audio with this one icon. And if you want to delete video without saving, click right here. So let's stop the video recording and let's see what we got here. And in front of you, you can see the full preview of the video. If you want to trim it, you can use this quick tool. If you want to edit it, you can edit in Clipchamp by clicking right here. And to save the result, click right here. And if you want to find your video, you gotta go to the File Explorer, open Videos, and in the Screen Recordings folder, you'll find the video that you took. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.